Right after birth, the process of aging begins for all of us. And with aging comes health complications that, in most cases, require us to embrace medications. Many people are taking more and more medications to improve health and extend their lives. Not only do our medical conditions become more complex as we age, but the number of medications we take as well. Unfortunately, if not taken properly, medications don't always work the way we expect them to, and in some cases can even cause more harm than good. It's important to know that 28% of hospitalizations and readmissions among seniors are due to adverse drug reactions and account for over 7,000 preventable deaths each year in the U.S. alone. Even more shocking is the fact that over 50% of hospital-discharged patients are prescribed potentially inappropriate medications. The sole purpose of our existence is to keep you safe and to make sure you're not a part of this statistic. At Medifix MTM Pharmacy, we specialize in medication therapy management, MTM, where our board-certified clinical pharmacists work in collaboration with you and your doctors to help maximize therapeutic outcomes. We provide detailed patient education and counseling on medication adherence to help you develop lifelong self-care skills. MTM involves an assessment of all your medications from all sources, including prescription, over-the-counter, vitamin supplements, herbal remedies, and nutritional products, to determine if any drug therapy problems exist or if there are problems that can be prevented. Now with Medifix as your personal MTM pharmacy, you can spend less time worrying about your medications and more time with those you love. If your health insurance provider does not cover this life-saving service, demand that it be added. Prescription drugs are meant to heal, not harm. Call us at 772-777-1729 or visit us at www.medifix.com and like us on facebook.com/Medifix.